Hi, this is Ty Strong. I was going to show you a little bit about how to assemble a beehive kit. I bought one on the internet from Bee Thinking. And basically what it is, it's 3 boxes like this. And there's a base that the bees fly in on. And it has like a screen in there. So the bees come in and fly in right here. And so you're putting these pieces together and you're putting these frames together. What these pieces consist of is I got the window ones, so you have to put these screws in and these little pieces, and there's a spring in each one, and it allows you to take it out and see what's going on in the beehive, which is kind of neat. And then you just put them together like this. They're already pre-cut, and you just put some stainless steel screws in here and it's basically just making a box. So this box is already done, and it already has like some of the frames in here, and basically it's just, you put them in there like this and fill the whole box up. So I'm going to show you how to make one of these frames right now. So let's go show you how to do that. All right, so what I'm using is just like some regular wood glue. And I just put a little bit on this side, and then a little bit on this side. And they come with the nails, and these are all pre-cut, and they sent to you, and they're pretty light. So what you do is you just put this one here, like that, and you got the other one here. And this little ridge right here is what the bees start making the honeycomb with. Okay, flip it over. And I haven't really had too much trouble with the wood splitting. The nails are pretty thin, and the wood seems pretty soft. So then I'm flipping it over, and then it comes with another piece that's already cut on both sides right here, and then I'm putting a little bit of glue just on this side, on one side, just to kind of help it stay together. I don't even think they have you putting glue in it in the instructions. Actually, this thing didn't even come with instructions. I guess they figure you just look on the internet or something. So, or look on their website, I guess. But it's pretty easy to figure out. So then you put 2 nails here. Two nails on the other side. Oops. Oops. Getting there. Okay, and then they're showing that you put one in here, so I just angle it a little bit. That way I don't hit that nail. See, this one kind of split a little bit. Try not to make them split. And that's it. So thank you very much.